Thank you for being here. Let's give that some time. It looks like throw up right now, but it's gonna get better when it dries. But anyway, it's really easy to make texture. Welcome to my late night live. Get me to say it in a scary voice. These stencils from Janie Ray, vintage. An intuitive painting, so you just sort of do what just feels good to do without worrying about if it's right or wrong or whatever. But at some point, sometimes I get kind of stuck. I'm like, I don't know. I like the colors, but what next? And stencils, stamps, things like that are great. Pull it off. And again, this is an abstract, and so all the layers, nothing about the layers is wrong. You can just do whatever. We can leave those squares there. We can not. I'll leave it on there for texture. I like that little square. So I'm gonna put a few more maybe. This is just plaster of Paris that I mixed up with some water. What's better, I think, is like quick dry spackle. The light weight, I mean, we're not building houses here. I think it just takes a tiny bit to make a stick-em-out thing, to make it stick out a little bit. It gives dimension. Can you see it? Just put it like this. Yeah, this is too thick now. I'm not even gonna tape it to the canvas. Okay. But anyway, it's really easy to make texture. I have a couple videos using spray stencils on a canvas. It's very fun. And I'll use my DIY paint, which I sell. I have a link if you are gonna try it. I would love for you to use mine. It's clay-based, all natural, but I will also use acrylics, just for the more variety of colors that are already mixed. Okay, so let's just put it here. Oh, that looks kind of, next to those vibrant colors, it looks kind of, looks really flat. Okay, that is interesting. I can see in the camera that it looks awful, but that's okay. This would be brighter, I think. Yeah, I've got some water lily. Look. Like you want it thick, but that's, you know what? We're just gonna finger paint. Not my plan. Cool. Now see, this is why you have nothing to be afraid of. I mean, could it look goofier than that? No. Are any of you thinking, oh my gosh, she's such an idiot. I had no idea. I hate her now. No, I don't think. You don't think that. You just think, oh, that's funny. She didn't know what she was doing, and now look. It's okay. Nothing happened. I just have a canvas that's looking not any better while I keep trying to do something with it. I got it. I know what to do. I know what to do. I'm going to drag this through there. We can at least make it have some sort of cool texture thing. The texture looks really cool. When it dries, I'll put something over it. I've got, this is old 57. So I'm going to just like, no, let's give that some time. It looks like throw up right now, but it's gonna get better when it dries. It's from heaven, but this is not wasting. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Rains, pennies from heaven. Oh my word. Look how pretty that is. This is also DIY paint. Da-da-da. It's a metallic patina, but I've done just like this weird rectangle something. This is White Swan. Maybe we put it here. To know that, like, say you do this and you hate it, you just add more layers over it. Yeah, that looks weird. Oh, this is gonna look terrible together. My eyes. Still doing it though. Half of me says, that is too much neon pink. The other half of me says, can there be too much neon pink? I don't think so. I kind of like it. I don't want to mess up the incredibly carefully thought out design I got going. Do that. Let's do that. Yes. What if I snuggle it up next to this hot pink or up there?